And stepping in is the speedy Lou Brock. Here comes a pitch. That misses, and we are underway. Popped up. Great effort as he's able to haul it in, and there's one down. Next to hit, Craig Biggio. And first offering is fouled off. In 2022, Garrett Cole set the Yankees single-season strikeout record with 257 punch-outs. Pretty amazing mark for that historic franchise. One down, base is empty. Next offering popped in the air, right field. Judge hauls it in, 2 away. And now it's Luis Robert. In the air, right field. Judge cutting across. Pulls it in on the run. And now here is Gleyber Torres. And he deals. There's a strike. That's to third. Fires over to first. 1 up, 1 down. And now Oswald Peraza. In there for strike 1. And strike 2. Swing and a miss, struck him out. Here is Aaron Judge. That's in for a strike. For Judge, he's really developed into more than just a power hitter. He covers the plate well, shows impressive awareness of the strike zone to boot.
That's critical, very important. If you want to be one of the best to ever play, it can't be all about hitting home runs. You have to have plate discipline as well.
That one misses. Ball 2. And there's a ball. And down on strikes he goes. Top of the second, and now the right fielder, Aaron Judge.
The right fielder, Aaron Judge.
The pitch. Ripped into left center for a base hit. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
Well, no waiting around right there. He was ready to swing it on the first pitch. That's a good sound coming off the bat, man. And as he connected out front and ripped it into the outfield, that's one of those swings where you just don't even feel the ball hit the barrel. That's a pure stroke.
Grounder might be 2. Over to second for 1. And 2. In time to first for the double play.
Sometimes double plays get turned so quickly that you don't really get to appreciate all of the finer details and how these guys execute them. Right there, really nice footwork, and a good feed to second was the key to pulling it off.
Lindor back now in the Bronx. Giancarlo Stanton at the plate. First offering, and it just misses. And there's a strike on the outside corner. Pitch is in there. It's a ball and 2 strikes.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
And the 1-2 misses to even the count. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Had him out front for strike 3. Now Kyle Higashioka. First pitch, and that's in for a strike.
0-1 the count.
That one lifted to left. Brock gets under it. He's got it, and there's 2 away. Now it's LeMahieu up to hit. And that's in there for strike 1.
This lineup's going to have to find a way to make him work a little harder out there on the mound. I mean, he is just mowing them down. He's settling in. You got to make him uncomfortable. Maybe step out of the box, call timeout, do whatever it takes.
Bounce to third. Right. Throws across the diamond, and that is new pitcher for the Yankees, Albert Abreu.
Now pitching for the New York Yankees, number 84, Albert Abreu.
this guy can bring it velocity-wise. And a pitch. Keith Hernandez, the leadoff batter, as he looks at ball one. Way inside, gets out of the way.
Straighten him up a little bit.
Good hitters count the 2-0. That's ripped into the outfield. And there's one down.
Man, if that drops right there, they would have gotten the potential winning run on base, maybe even in a scoring position, but that's just one of those hang with thems.
Dante Bichette swings through it for strike one.
Well, don't expect too many more high fastballs. This is a good sinker ball pitcher, and sometimes they can make mistakes trying to pitch up in the zone. Look for him to stay down.
Dives, but it's off his glove. Base hit.
All over that one right there. Nice line drive to the pull side, met it out front, but just stayed through it nice enough and ripped it into the outfield.
And here is Christian Bethancourt. That's a base hit. They get it in quickly. So first and second now, one out.
Just a clutch at bat right there. Big time swing when this team really needed it. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. You know, hitters, they take so many reps in the cage.
Ground ball, and that's through the infield. And they hold the runner at third, but the bases are loaded now with one out.
No, that at bat had a lot riding on it. Certainly a pivotal swing of the bat in this ball game. Just a cookie down the middle. I mean, those are the ones you dream about. The ones in the cage, you're just hoping you get in the ball game. Right down the middle, not a whole lot of velocity, right on top of it.
The 1-0. Lined into left center, should be extra bases. One runs in, a second scores as well. 3 runs are in, and they're up by 3.
4 hits in a row, and they're really swinging it here. Pretty much just a textbook double into the gap, and when you can drop one in there between the outfielders, you know you're making the turn at first. Just an excellent swing.
So out of the pen comes the right-hander, Keynan Middleton.
And this could be a pretty critical point in this game. They're hoping he's the guy to keep him within striking distance.
Late with the swing there.
Well, that's today's style of baseball right there, right? Big time velo on the bump and big time pop at the plate.
Drilled out towards left center field. That's well struck. And it hits the fence. And he's got a double.
He was all over that one. Nice line drive to the pull side right there, but he didn't spin off of it. That's the key. You still have to extend through the baseball in order to hit a line drive like that.
And now big number 99, Aaron Judge. First pitch, not close. They say you win.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Next offering way upstairs. That's down and in. Biggio at third. Robert at second with 1 away. That's a base hit. Run scores. Throw comes in and holds the runner at third. They're at the corners now with still only 1 away. Now the third baseman, David Wright. He's 0 for 1. Swung on, belted. That's back. And it's out of here. He sends a rocket to left, and they add to their lead. It's 7-0. Pitching change here, number 29. He's being eased into the game here with the bases empty. Here's Francisco Lindor. And first offering is fouled off. And here it comes. Out there to center. And that'll fall for a base hit.
These days, most outfielders play pretty deep, and I'm not sure if that was a factor there or not, but off the bat, you're thinking it's going to be a pop out, and it just kind of
To second for one. And they bounce into two already. This one in. Welcome back. Set for the bottom of the third. And here's the first baseman, number 61. A new arm into the game, the righty, Andres Munoz.
And he's got a nice lead to work with, so he should come in throwing strikes, attacking these hitters.
1-1.
Swing and a miss. And that is strike one. Swings through that.
2 strikes.
Towards first. There's Hernandez handling the chance. He handles it himself. Leadoff man retired here in the third. That one down the line. Tosses across to first. And 2 straight set down to begin the bottom of the third. Franchi Cordero at the plate with 2 away. Swings through that one. Next offering is in for a strike. And a swing and a miss, and that is the ball game.
When you win by 7 runs, it's a real encouraging game all the way around. The hitters feel good about what they did in this one, but the pitchers also know that if they get into a little bit of a jam, they know the offense is very capable of putting up runs. Good job.
This one ends 7-0. For Chris Singleton and our